Good afternoon, guys. So we are here at the clubhouse. We are preparing for our upcoming opening of our summer league basketball and volleyball league. For tomorrow is our parade, the beginning of the game. So now I would like to say thank you to you, Sir My Views, My Views or Sir EJ.
Ay, di pala ganyan.
Dito ka! Ayusin mo kasi nila. Yan, ayusin mo ah. So we are unboxing now the donation from Sir My Views or Sir EJ. The two basketball balls, and then 2 volleyball balls from Sir EJ or My Views, Sir My Views. So I am now with my co-officers, our President Roger Ando, HOA President, our HOA Secretary Nanit Karamuan, our Vice PIO, Assistant PIO or BOD, Catherine Kate Atienza, and also with our sports chairman, our very own sports chairman, Sir Jomer Magampo.
Alisto yung dagger.
May alisteman talaga.
Our sports chairman, Sir Jomer Magampo. So, we will unbox now the balls donated by Sir Michael. Sir Jomer! Ay, thank you po! Dito po po yung opening.
Ayaw yan ang puwetes.
Hindi mawala ulo ni Pangulo, mapuputol.
Yes, dalawa na. First here. Sir Jomer! Thank you. 2 volleyball
Parehas.
balls.
Oh, my beautiful helmet.
Helmet. Pare-pare ha.
Thank you once again, Sir EJ, Sir My Views. God bless you more. On behalf of Sports Committee, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Ayaw mo lang mag-tend.
Ikaw, mag-thank you ka. Ikaw ang sports chairman. Doon ka, Ariel, sumali ka doon. Sumali ka.
Arabi. Arubo ko.
Sir Jomar. I-English mo. You need to say it English.
Mr. Pam.
Sir EJ or Sir My Views. That ball is donated by Sir My Views. My Views, my channel. Thank you.